Hello, my name is John Kelly, and this is the Weber Auto YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you something that I discovered accidentally, the thermal expansion of an exhaust system. I've always read about the thermal expansion of an exhaust system and heard that it could grow in length several inches, depending on how long the exhaust system is to begin with. But the other day I was shooting a transmission video, and when I was editing the video, I noticed the exhaust system had changed positions from the time I'd started shooting the video, and then several minutes into it, it was in a different position. So I thought, wow, I wonder how quickly and how far it actually moves. And so I've got 4 cameras set up, and I also have 4 dial indicators set up on the exhaust system. I've got one on the cross member, or on the crossover pipe right in front of the cross member, and we'll see how far it goes down. I've got another one right after the first catalytic converter, right before the expansion joint in the exhaust pipe, and then another one right after the expansion joint in the exhaust pipe, and then one clear back on the tailpipe bracket. So we're going to start the engine here and watch how far these grow over time. In the video I shot the other day, it took about 3 minutes to see some major change in the exhaust system length. Let's see what happens on this truck here. Okay, go ahead and start it. All right, let's watch and see what happens. All right, things should be starting to cool down now. Wow. Look at this dial indicator just rolling backwards as the exhaust system cools down. The one behind the flex coupling isn't moving nearly as rapidly, but it's obviously still moving. And back here at the tailpipe, let's see how quickly it's moving. It should be moving. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's moving about a 0.5 of an inch every second or two. That is just absolutely amazing, right? Like I said, I've never seen that before, but I always heard about it and read about it. The reason that this is important is that you can have an exhaust system that can be the transfer path of normal engine vibrations. And maybe it doesn't transfer the vibration when the engine is cold and the exhaust system is cool. Maybe it only does it after it heats up and the exhaust system grows and it starts to ground out or rub on something that it should not be. And it could be just the opposite also. Maybe when it's cold it rubs on something, and as it heats up it expands and gets away from whatever it was rubbing on. So factory exhaust systems are designed to avoid all of that, but they still have problems occasionally with rattles and so on. But aftermarket exhaust systems, if you put an aftermarket exhaust system on your truck or your car, it may or may not end up having problems like this, depending on what type of flexible mounting. Obviously we have to have a flexible mount there. I've seen exhaust systems put on where they just welded a solid strap to the exhaust pipe and ran a screw into the frame of the vehicle or the exhaust bracket, and bypassed the rubber mounting, and that certainly could cause unwanted normal vibrations from the engine to transfer through the exhaust system into the frame, up through the vehicle body into the passenger compartment, and of course the end result is a vibration. Thank you for watching.